So I see JD Vance went over there to run his mouth and try to negotiate for absolutely the fuck nothing. The Iranian said, nah, hell nah. Due to what you trying to give us. Because your Simple Simon ass boss is up there on the social media, on the truth social, posting stupid shit. I said they was gonna catch wind of the stupid shit that he was posting and tell y'all, fuck all your talk and your negotiations is still on and popping. Take the man's computers, phones, and anything that he can post anything about anything on away from him for a little while. That's it and that's all. Now what's gonna happen next? As America turns, I'm gonna go ahead and lay myself down. It's already midnight. Switches.